Morning everyone and warm welcome. We've got the two team captains here, Herman van Zyl from Spur Warriors and JP from Central Sunrisers. Umpire on my left. We're quickly going to do the coin toss, just show them the heads and tails.
Heads. Tails.
JP, your home team.
JP. Tails. Sorry. It's tails. Oh.
Tails it is.
Oh, well, batsman.
Fantastic. Quickly have a chat. Herman, playing yesterday, any reason why you're choosing to bat first today?
Just because yesterday we started very well with the bat, so just confident and see how it goes. Hopefully we can keep it up.
Are you guys confident the pitch is going to hold up and do the same as yesterday?
Yes, and hopefully in the second innings it'll be a bit tougher to bat. So yeah.
Correct. All the best. Enjoy. JP again. Unfortunate couldn't win the toss. Would you have chosen to bat first?
It was a difficult one today. After the chase yesterday, I thought let's have a bat first today, but we don't mind bowling. I think yesterday actually the pitch, second innings it actually played better than the first innings for batting wise, so we're fine. The pitch looks good. So
JP, all the best.
Thank you.
That concludes the coin toss. Let's look forward to the match starting.